catless RK right here. Damn, your cold starts are crazier than mine.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
It's Dior! Holy shit, that was way louder! That sounds so fucking good, dude. I might actually have to do it now. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna start it off with cars and coffee. One of our fellow locals is moving back to his homeland. He's going back to China. Joe, I hope you enjoyed this last cars and coffee, and I wish you the best out there. All the homies are coming over, and we're gonna be cruising on over there. But I'm not gonna be taking the Supra today. I actually just watched it yesterday, and I plan on installing a bunch of car parts throughout the next few weeks. So I want to keep a clean car to work on, and it's supposed to be raining. So instead, today, I'm gonna be jumping in Phil's Supra. He's running a catless downpipe, I'm running a catted downpipe, but we're both running the same RK titanium signature exhaust, which in my opinion is still the best exhaust out there. But the one thing that he does have that I wish I have, he has a HKS blow-off valve. Phil's car sounds bonkers. Like, it sounds so good. I've also been contemplating whether or not I want to run a catless setup next year. I really like the throatiness and the the deep tone of the catted downpipe, but I don't know. Is loud better, y'all? I don't know. Comment down below. Should I run catted or catless? Today I'm not driving my whip. I'm going in Phil's, and I want to get you guys all a sound clip of his blow-off valve setup. Catless RK right here. That shit sounds so good. Damn, your cold starts are crazier than mine. Catted or catless, y'all? I'm really debating on going catless for next year. So we're gonna keep his valves all closed right now, so you guys can hear the blow-off valve. Close your window. Oh, how do we hear it the best?
You can hear it. Doesn't really matter. You can still hear it in the car too.
Okay. Did y'all hear that? Dude, that actually sounds fire. I hope the camera. Oh, I hope that picks it up. That is.
It's louder because the hood is vented.
Yeah. Damn, I haven't been in a catless car in a long time, but boy, I can smell those fumes, bro.
Gas
Shit.
all day.
Oh, dude. I wonder what the blow-off valve would sound like with a catted setup, because it would be less raspy, deeper, and much quieter, so maybe you can hear it even more. All right, it might be hard to hear us. You gotta talk loud, Phil, if you're talking, but yeah, we're gonna try to get some sound clips with sports mode on. Holy shit, that was way louder. Holy crap. Oh shit. I really hope that is picking it up. Yeah, I gotta get me a blow-off valve, I think. HKS blow-off valve 2024. Let's make it happen. Please sponsor me. Yo, that shit sounds so good, bro.
Yeah. Stage 2, less aggressive burble. You can hear the blow-off valve a little bit better, just because the aggressive one is just gonna keep on crackling. So,
and overpower the blow-off valve.
The sound of the blow-off valve. So.
You tired of the You tired of the BMW burbles?
Yeah.
Right here. BMW burbles. Damn, that wing looking real good, bro. It looking real mean. Real mean. Dior's a savage. My man's is running no plates. It ain't a TikTok flex. It's real life.
It's kind of crooked.
Shake that ass for me. That's what it looks like when Duncan's dancing in the car.
Yeah.
Can I insert clip?
No.
Raymond's planning on getting an M car, maybe? BMW gang? Maybe? But we're here to eat.
Let me chill. You want some hand signs?
It was dark as hell.
Don't worry, I got this star light.
Whoa! Damn. Setting the mood, bro.
Oh, hell yeah. I'll really set the mood. I don't want you to get demonetized, you know?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, drive and stare?
Jarvis here? Give him the light skin brown face.
What's up? About to drink and drive on the way home?
Do a dance. Alright, peace out, bro.
Alright, see ya.
Oh. Sheesh.
The next day.
Whoa, Jimmy. Wait, we're supposed to show them. You get, the new Supra has 3 seats.
3 seats. We didn't do it, but...
Wow, well, Jimmy already started bringing it out before I could turn on the vlog, but today we're going to be installing some new seats into Jimmy's car. Jimmy got new seats. We're installing at my house.
Sorry.
So he drove with 2 seats in the front. Was it moving around?
Only now it's going 115. Okay, today I'm at Vin's house. Whoa, you look like you have a pretty good mustache over there, buddy. Okay, this is weird.
Jimmy's over, got his new seats, got some new floor mounts. Just got back taking some Halloween photos.
Happy Halloween! Or the week after. Wow, cái này nè, mock snail.
Here, talk about why we got the mock snail.
Mock snail. No, why do we get the mock snail? I don't know, because someone told me you can go lower with your seats. Bro, I thought the PCI would work on everything.
Well, apparently not.
You want to know how I got these scars? PCI brackets. Wow. Mock thing.
Hey, they were muck thing as fuck though. Hey, Jimmy got me these coveralls. Finally putting it to use today.
Should have brought mine.
Shut up. You snoozed. So now you lose. So we got Recaro seat rails, and we need to get these because the Sportster CSs that Jimmy got mount from underneath, they're not side mounted. So we needed to get these specific rails to get it to work. What you gotta say, Jimmy?
These are the last seats ever that I'm buying.
Don't ever buy new seats, Jimmy.
You want to put seats in the Prius?
It's not fun. That was so much freaking work. And now we're tightening it by hand because there's not a lot of room. Just been sitting here for like 5 minutes taking a break. We got the seat in. We figured out how to do it. Then we forgot to put the fucking seatbelt bracket on. Good thing we only did Jimmy's passenger seat because I got work tomorrow. And good thing we didn't do the driver's seat because Jimmy would have been SOL and not be able to go home. But what do you guys think? Do you prefer the Sparkle seat or the Recaro seat? I honestly, you should have done these from the get-go. And I really like that you went with cloth too.
Yeah.
Which one you like better?
It's much lower. This one. The track, that one was awesome.
Yeah.
But 98% of the time, we're not on track.
Nothing ever goes right when we install seats,
Never.
bro. But gone with the Sparko, in with the Recaro.
Anybody want to buy sparklers with PCI brackets?
PCI brackets, Sparko seats.
They're still pretty damn good.
Yeah. Local sale first.
Yeah.
If this thing gets 2,000 likes, we'll give away one for free.
But you give me money.
Bet. Deal. All right, y'all. But
We were just a little rusty. Haven't
dude,
in a while.
it's okay. I mean, we started late in the day too. We started at like 4 o'clock and now it's 7:30. Oh my God, I look crazy. Shout out again. The fit Jimmy got me. We're official in this bitch. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Happy Halloween. Hold up. Let me close out this Halloween vlog real quick. Happy Halloween, motherfuckers! Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll wear this in the whole next vlog. If this thing hits 1,000 likes. Peace.